Is Maria Mullins, and I'm the Southwest Seed Partnership Coordinator at IAE's Southwest office in Santa Fe, New Mexico. I'll be introducing this afternoon's speakers, and what we have on the agenda is 5 excellent speakers, all from the Southwest region. So similar to the morning session, most of the speakers will be talking for about 20 minutes, and then we'll have 5 to 10 minutes for questions from the attendees. And so just to remind you, if you'd like to have a question answered by a speaker, make sure to type it into the Zoom Q&A box at the bottom of your Zoom window. Only questions there will be asked by the Q&A facilitator. And you're welcome to use the Zoom chat and the Whova community boards for other discussion topics. But just keep in mind that only the questions entered into the Zoom Q&A will be monitored by the Q&A facilitator. And we did have some feedback that the Q&A was getting a little bit busy for the attendees to sort of track questions. And so we have cleared it out to sort of start fresh for the afternoon session. And hopefully that helps. And please make sure to press the thumbs up sign to like a question that you're interested in, because then those will get moved up to the top of the list. And so we'll be able to ask the questions that are of greatest interest to the audience, since we'll probably only have time for a few. And I also wanted to note that we are monitoring one of the Whova community boards called Ask Organizers Anything. So you're welcome to ask questions there if you have any sort of technical issues. And you can also send an email to conference@appliedeco.org, and we can work with you to get it fixed. Okay, so we are going to kick off our first talk of the afternoon session with Elise Gornish, who's already here. Elise, maybe we should go ahead and wait until 1, just so that if anybody comes right at 1, they don't miss the beginning of your talk. Does that sound okay? Okay.